a Osmo 3 or whatever, the DJI gimbal. Because I'm, of course, going to start vlogging again. It's been years since I've done that, really. So I'm going to try to get back into the groove of things and stuff like that. I'm not sure how well these microphones work. Well, anyways, back on Hollywood because I gotta go shoot an event in a second. It's some type of movie premiere I gotta go shoot, so we'll see how that works out. But everybody's here taking their pictures of the Walk of Fame. It's like 14.
What language is it written in?
It's actually back at the Bourbon Room. If you haven't seen Ryan's thing from what should we call it, Pillow Talk. That's where I was over there shooting that last time. So now back to the Bourbon Room for this movie. So we'll see how this goes. I want to see how this works out. I have the mic too, but I'm just going to try this because it is a bit of a noisy area too. So I just want to see how the noise works on this. So I've been hearing this has really good onboard audio. Got the camera gear, and so I'm just gonna check it out, have a drink. We'll see how this works in low light because it is pretty low light in there too. So. So wound up coming to Scum and Villainy since Bourbon Room was still closed. So I gotta wait for that to open up. But in the meantime, just chilling with a beer and so yeah, we're going to see how this rolls and goes. Not sure. I have, like I said, I have the mic on because it is pretty loud in here. But we'll see how well this works. And yeah, we'll see how. Yeah. All right. So I got done with Scum and Villainy now, and about to go to the Bourbon Room. Looks like they just got opened because it's really like across the street. Scum and Villainy and Bourbon Room is across the street in Hollywood. So I'm gonna go check it out now, get set up, ready to take some photos of this event. I have no idea what it's going to be like, so I'm gonna go check it out now. So I'll see you guys all inside in a quick second. And that's it for the video. If you want to see the photos that I took at this event, just go to jakesplayhouse.com, and there's a link over there in the galleries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you like more of these videos, more like BTS and more like the party videos and things like that. Let me know. I got a couple more to go do anyhow. But yeah, I didn't really do an outro over there since I was kind of got busy. But thanks for watching. And like I said, leave a like. And I'll see you all until the next party. Peace.